This is going to replace this. YouTube, what is up? Ace Rollin, I'm back again. That was Cash right there with his Christmas sweater on. And it's not even Halloween yet, but he's wearing his Christmas sweater today. Y'all see it right there. Ridiculous, hilarious. So y'all know Cash, y'all know Chip, we right there. And you know what? I got something good for y'all today. But before we get started, I want to welcome everybody that's brand new to the channel right here. My name is Ace Rollin. That is my Nissan Maxima right there. This is my son's 240SX right here. Totally slammed to the ground. And behind me, we're spinning around right there, behind these doors is the toy shop. So if you're new to the channel and you haven't seen the toy shop before, check this out. This is the toy shop right here. So in the toy shop, we have my Suzuki M109 Custom right here. I just love that bike and I need to get out and ride it, but it needs a new battery. That's another topic for today. That's another video. And we also have my 1LE right here, my 2014 Camaro SS 1LE right there. She's lowered on BMR springs. We got the side skirts right here. And as you can see, we have the bumper off in the back right here. So you can probably ask yourself, okay, well, why does the bumper off? It's a real good reason for that. We are definitely today, we're getting rid of these lights right here that I absolutely hated from day one when I bought this car. And they have got to go. But I've been waiting for the right part to replace them with, and finally, PHASTEK has came out with the perfect solution for that ridiculous tail light right there. And let me show it to you guys right now. So they just came today. So PHASTEK right here. Go into the box, get the directions. We don't need no directions. We throw that over there. But check this out right here. We'll just bring it over. We'll put it on the table. And I'll get the camera and put it on the table for you guys. So this is the replacement tail light right here. Look at that all the way around. We'll spin it. This is going to replace this. And I cannot wait. I can't stand those tail lights. So we go. I got a couple choices here with this video. I could either do like a super fast motion of me putting those tail lights in or whatever it is, or I could do what everybody wants me to do, is fast forward and go directly to the finished product. And that's what I think I'm getting ready to do. So as y'all can see, we got the bumper off right here in the back, right here. And a lot of people, they disconnect this right here. So anyway, now that you guys seen the part, I can just go ahead and cut right to the finished product. And that's exactly what I'm getting ready to go do. And just like that, we are done. I got the bumper put back on. We got the tail lights put on. I already had the LED side markers already installed from an earlier mod. I never did shoot a video for that, but I'm really happy about the way those turned out too. So, you know, there it is, you guys. Let me know what you think. I think it looks really good. So I'm gonna put the camera down and turn them on so you guys can see what they look like with the lights on. So let's go take a look. Let's get the key first. And turn the camera a little bit here. So. We got the keys. All right, so we got it turned on. You guys can see that they turned on. Picking up from the camera. There's the LED side markers, but listen, look at that, you guys. Look at that. Look at that. That is so much better than before. It looks so good. Look at that. Now the turn signals are sequential, so I'm gonna cut those on. I'm doing all this by myself, you all. I don't have anybody in here helping me, so let me just turn the signals on here. Well, I'll just do the hazard lights, so you can see both of them at the same time. Right there. So there it is right there. You guys can see now. The sequential option, the sequential is actually an option. I can make these blink like normal tail lights if I want to. I'm not sure if I like the sequential or not. I've never had a car with sequential tail lights before, so I'm gonna go with this for a little while and just to see what it's like. And also the reverse lights are in LEDs in white, which light up right up in here. Can't really cut those on because I don't have anybody in there to put the car in reverse and cut those on for you, but those look really, really good too. So there it is, you guys, the PHASTEK tail light upgrade. These are basically the same style that comes on the 6th gen Camaro, and I think it turned out really, really good.